Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So the other day when we stopped at Harbor Freight and I went and found the Gordon pocket knife for 10 bucks, which is actually pretty dang nice for $10 knife. HCR 13 MOV steel, rides on bearings, 4-way reversible pocket clip. Lockup is solid, composite scales, full liners, 10 bucks, can't beat it. But right next to it, below it, was this little guy, little Pittsburgh mini Lockback utility blade or knife, and I thought that would look pretty cool. And this was only 5 bucks, $4.99. So I thought I'd pick it up, check it out. I just cut it open. Actually, I cut it open using the Gordon knife, which it cut through that plastic. Nice. There's the back of it. It says, mini lockback utility knife, blade folds into handle for safety. Locking back, so it's a little lockback. Has a back lock. Finger grip handle for no slip use. Push button quick release for easy blade changes. A keychain. It's got a little ball chain there. Length is 2.5 inches closed. 3 3/4 inches open. It comes with 5 universal mini utility blades, and they're in this little slide box. So 5 extra blades, plus looks like there's one in it. So 6 blades, and yeah, check that out. Let's take that off. That's pretty interesting looking. Yeah, crap. 3-finger grip. Got a little jimping right there. You can choke up on it. A couple of finger swells right here. Yeah, that fits my hand pretty good. I wear extra large size gloves and very comfortable 3-finger grip. There's a lot of times using a utility blade, kind of doing this kind of cut. The only thing looking at it is this gap right here. Might be an issue for some task, but it's open, it's locked up, it's solid. There's a little up and down play that you get with lockbacks. A lot of lockbacks will have that little, man, I felt it, now I don't feel it. Yeah, that release is okay. Has a thumb stud. Now, this is so small, I don't know if I can do it. Hang on to it and open it. But yeah, one hand open. Definitely, probably, I guess you can close it one-handed. Interesting. I don't know what's inside, what it rides on. Some kind of pot metal, metal handle. Is painted silver. It's gotta be painted. Yeah, everything's nice and smooth. No sharp edges on the handle. Now, let me try to figure out how to change the blade. Has this lever, and the arrow just kind of shows, it says open, and the arrow's kind of like this. I'm not I'm not seeing. I'm not quite getting the. I'm not quite getting it. Well, if it's that difficult to open, I'm kind of afraid of it. Can you do it? Huh. Oh, I don't think I want to sit here and struggle. Doesn't say how to push button quick release for easy blade changes. I'm not getting it. It's not easy. It's not quick. Yeah. Okay, I may pause the video or cut this out. I'm going to try to get this thing open, figure it out, and I'll be back. Okay, so that was really a pain in the butt. I had to push that up. I had to get this under there and pry it up. But now it's working a little better. So pop that up like such. Pull that up all the way. Then this part where the hole is, you can dang. Okay. You have to move it all the way. Then this part slides up out of the way. Then you can pop the blade out. You put it back in. Seat it in the hole. This you move back down. And then you go like that. So not too bad once I got it going. So do it, maybe you can see. Pop that up. Move that all the way up like that. Then you move this down out of the way. And that's how you change the blade. Move that back. Close that up. Not too bad. Oh, I didn't get it all the way. Has a little like detent hole. And there's a little nub. And this part, you have to get that in that hole. So it's still a little finicky. Get it up. Kind of have to hold that in. There's like a little stop pin right there. And then you close this up like that. Not that extremely difficult if you're smarter than I am. But yeah, nice little utility blade you can put on your keychain or put an S-beaner on there and hook it to something. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It weighs 1.4 ounces. Which is 40 grams. So yeah, not a bad little thing for $5. Like I said, very comfortable. Yeah. Cuts that. See if it cuts, you know. Be excellent for clamshell packaging. I can tell you that right now. That works pretty good. Yeah, a little lockback. You can close it one-handed. So yeah, changing the blade's not quite as easy and quick as it says, but now I got it figured out. You gotta just open it, put it all the way, take the blade out, and obviously like a utility blade you can flip it around, so you got two edges on each blade, and you get 6 blades total. Yeah, not too bad. $4.99. I may pick a few of these up for like Christmas gifts or whatever next time I'm at home. Or if I've been saying Home Depot, I want to say Home Depot. Harbor Freight. This is from Harbor Freight. Yeah, these make great little stocking stuffers. But guess that'll do. I just wanted to show this to you. Check it out together. It's a pretty neat little thing. Worked great in a little EDC pouch, you know, keeping your bag for a spare utility cutter. But yeah, guess that'll do it for this video. Do the usual like, comment, subscribe. And until the next video, bye.